Hello guys. Welcome back to Senior Prius channel. Today, I have a good video to show you. I will show how to protect your car from the thief with your smartphone. Even they can break into your car and start the engine, they still can't drive. Maybe, you don't care about the thief, so it can be your family members, friends or neighbors who has your key. So, you will need a Windbooster device, and a smartphone. If you don't know how to connect Windbooster to your car, please watch my previous video. Let's get started. First of all, you need to connect the app name Windbooster via Bluetooth to the device. Then you go to the menu and setting. Press the lock car menu. This is how it works. It will lock your accelerator pedal, so it will only drive with idle speed. If you set the mode to eco mode, your car will go very slow with the idle speed. So, they won't drive it. Press Sure button and set the PIN code. You may be asked to set the new password at the beginning. In my case, I already set the PIN code. So, I just put the PIN code to lock. After lock it, you will see the lock sign in the Windbooster screen. Let's test it. Let me put in drive mode, and push the accelerator pedal. It doesn't work. So, it works. Great. Good job. So, next I unlock it with the PIN code, and put in drive mode again. This time I will put one foot on brake pedal, and another foot on accelerator pedal for safety. The engine start running, as you can see it's charging the battery. Well done. You did it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos about Prius.